Come with me to Korean Market, located on Mayfield Road. It's directly across the street from the plaza of Don Ramon and Applebee's. I honestly did not know this was here, and I'm glad that I now know this is here because this is way closer to my house than Camp's International Market, and I was driving all the way over there. I didn't record everything they had. The stuff I did catch on camera is a whole aisle of instant noodles. The clips in the beginning was an aisle of international snacks, like different flavored candies and like chips and stuff. They have a whole aisle of different sauces and oils and rice, and they also have a frozen section. Some of the things I saw was dumplings, kimchi, fried chicken, noodles, Korean corn dogs, and much more. They also have the viral fruit ice cream. They sell them in the big packs of 3, and they also sell the individual ones. And they have these popsicles right there. I believe I tried the mango ones, and those were good. So this is the candy I was talking about. I also see at the bottom shelf there's like different drinks. For some reason you can't type in the name of the store on Apple Maps for it to show up. They are on Google, so if you type in Korean Market on Google, it will show up and it'll give you the directions.